So PLT does subplot, simple grid of subplots. PLT does subplot creates a single subplot within a grid. And here this command takes 3 integer arguments, number of rows, number of columns, and index of the plot to be created. Right? So let's quickly do that. Just let me just copy and paste this. Okay, so copy and do. So let me see right here. Okay, so let me do it one by one, rather, just like before. So I'm figure one. I need figure my for I in range 1 to 7. PLT subplot 2, 3i, right? So let me just quickly show you this one right here. Okay, it's my keyboard. I in range 1 the 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay. So only PLT subplot. Right? Let's see. SCD option. Okay. So keyboard subplot 2 by 3. Right? Yes, PLT does subplot 2, 3i. Right? You can see that, right? PLT does subplot 2, 3i. Well, the 2 by 3, right? 2 rows, 3 columns. Right? 2 rows, and yeah, there are rows. 1, 2 rows, and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 columns. Right? 2 by 3 plot also. And this is the first iteration, right? 2 by 3 code. 2 by 3 must I. And it's a 0 around 1. Right? Can we start 1 these, right? So 1. But if you see using this one is 1. Using 1. Right? 1 you plot it, right? And this will see I can show you like this. I can show you this way. Rather, if I is less than 1, right? Okay, less than 2. Okay, if I is less than 2, let's try this one. Okay, see, you're a material, right? Okay, so this figure I can do I is less than 3, but 1 or 2 ohms, right? And so on, right? So what do you see? So total is hard out, right? So I can do say 4 and so on, right? Okay, so I can create this subplots, right? These subplots. It's hard subplots, right? And I can draw in there. Right? Draw actually. I can draw text, right? Rather put text, right? So it's my plt.text 0.5, 0.5, right? And string UI, right? I can remove the text, say text remover. Okay, don't worry about it, right? So if I do this, obviously keyboard take this down here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Right. So our yoga it will draw something here. Right. See, right? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. You covered I 0.5, 0.5. See, X 0.5, 0.5. Your center, your center, and yeah, center visually seeing this center parera. 2, 3, suppose 2, 3 cents, suppose 2, 3 cents, and I first iteration I equal value 1, UI is my drawbar. Right? Second iteration I equal value 2, and the second plot 2 drawbar. Right? I equal value 3, third plot your. And fourth plot UI, fifth, sixth plot, right? And the font size UI, H equals center, horizontal line, right? Horizontal line, center, right? At the center was in the other way center, right? You centered, right? Centered horizontal line. Okay, so you can draw multiple subplots like that. Okay, okay, so let's see what else you can do. Split subplots the whole grid in one go, right? So I'm can create the whole grid in one go. Let's see. As a easy tarika case, there we can do this one right here. Let me show you. So figure x, figure in axis is equal to PLT dot subplots 2 to 3, right? 2 by 3 and share x column, share y row, right? Okay, it's right there, right? See, very easy. Okay, so okay, so you see, you line mobile, right? So you don't have to do more than so, which is probably much easier. Right? So this thing here, we can draw. Right? We can draw on these. So same thing. So not much different. Right? So you do the I z, do the loop round garyo. I z counter you bhayalyo अनि यसमा यो चाहिँ अब यो 00 हुन्छ 01 002 त्यसै गरी के भयो 10 11 12 हैन so you can figure it out. Okay, see, like that, right? So it's the same thing. We're just drawing this text, right? Right? So okay, you can look through the notes and I can try, right? Okay, here's a little bit more complicated. Grid spec, right? Of grid spec grid spec PLT.grid spec object does not create a plot by itself. It's simply a convenient interface that is recognized by the PLT.subplot command. Right? Of this one, I can try this one. Right? So I can create a grid like this. Okay, 1 second. Let me add some of these. Okay, so right here, right? So I create a grid. You might a grid case on 2 by 3, W space equal 0.4, H equal 0.3. Right? Now let me share that this thing right here. Whiteboard. Okay. All right. You can see my screen as well, right? Your whiteboard why? Okay, anyway.
Whiteboard.
Oh, okay. Screen okay, anyway. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Don't worry. Okay. So it's my keyboard. Let me clear it out. Where's the clear spotlight? Clear like that. So clear all drawings. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is what is a grid spec, right? Grid spec 2 by 3, right? So grid spec let's see. Grid spec. Of course, we will have 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3. Right? 2 by it's a grid spec also. And you grid specs, right? So can you see my screen?
Whiteboard
मात्रै छ okay, so it's अलिकति okay, anyway, so grid spec. Okay, so and this one case, so W space equals 0.4, H space equals 0.3, right? Okay, so W space, right? H space, right? Okay, okay, so यो भनेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि W space र H space भनेको चाहिँ जस्तै 0.4 0.3 दिएको छौँ हामीले, यो चाहिँ 0.4 दिएको छौँ, यो चाहिँ 0.3 दिएको छौँ, है? यो भनेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि अब यो ग्रिड स्पेक यसरी आउँछ अनि यसको बीचको स्पेसहरु नि जस्तै W स्पेस भनेपछि विड्थमा along the width, है? Along the width, अनि यो चाहिँ स्पेस गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब यस्तो तरिकाले आउँछ के. Let me see if I can use a different pen. Where is it? Text bio, is there any color? Yeah, okay. So, okay, let me try a big one. Okay, let me try this color. Okay, so you see, right? So, can we H space or double space? Right? You see, right? It's right? You own it. Use right? Yeah, space like you say double space when you see along the width, right? U space, double space you. Okay, you do it with along the width, and it's space height goes, right? You beach space, right? Your space, right? That's at space, right? Okay. All right, so let's go back here, and then I'm going to share that. Okay, I'm going to share that again. Let's see, screen. Okay. All right. So, okay. Oh, actually, I could use the, it's not the problem. So I need whiteboard. Yeah. Problem to small material, right? Kidding. Screenshot, right? Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to grid that way. And grid that way. Now we can do subplot. I mean plot. Right? You can do plot. Let's go back here. And this would see. Excellent. Let me take the attendance going. You will so that we do not forget later. Same thing. I've seen problem. I have my screenshot. Okay, let's see. My screenshot in Soxuki. Let's try it. Just give me a second. Print screen. Okay, let's see. Screenshot shaped. Okay. Okay, very good. So somewhere around here, just making sure that I got it. Is this one? Yeah, right here. 1109 in it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, good. All right. Oh, probably I can do this. And use my really. Can I draw on this? Let's see it. Yes, I can. Oops. Yes. Yep. Cool. Right? But this is okay. So okay, Tixer. Okay, so now yeah, I can use this. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. All right. So now, okay, you we can do PLT just upload with this man. Let's try this. Go back here. Okay. Say somebody. I'll show you the whole thing first. Okay. Plots are serials. Actually, what's happening? Okay, what's happening? Okay. So let me show you what's happening here. Let me see. Right. It's like okay. PLT subplot. I want the wall. Your screen mouse. Right. I'll get this like so let me take this screenshot again. Okay, print screen. Okay, I'm going to print screen again. Okay, very good. Okay, so now which is right here somewhere. Where is it? This one probably. Okay. All right. So right here. Okay, very good. Okay, this one. Let me draw. Okay, let's draw it. So यसमा के भयो भन्दाखेरि जुन अघि अब ग्रिड 00 हैन अब अहिलेको जुन ग्रिड स्पेक थियो if you remember ग्रिड स्पेक हाम्रो कति 2/3 को ग्रिड स्पेक थियो नि त हैन सो हाम्रो ग्रिड स्पेक 2/3 को थियो अलिकति त्यही अलिकति मसिनो नि है सो हाम्रो 2/3 को ग्रिड स्पेक थियो नि त हैन 2/3 है यस्तो खालको थियो हो Okay, भनेपछि हेर्नुस् त so we have PLT to subplot grid 00 hey grid 00 so let's put these indices hey so you're saying 0 you're 1 by you're saying 0 1 2 by हैन so about 0 0 भनेपछि कुन चाहिँ आयो भन्दाखेरि you can see there okay so let's put this highlighter here okay okay let's see okay I don't know what this is right so anyway let's see so 0 0 right 0 0 भनेपछि यो चाहिँ है okay so 0 0 which is this one right 0 0 okay अनि त्यस्तै गरी I can do another one is what's another one 0 1 right 0 अनि 1 column छ नि त 0 अनि 1 column row मा 0 है row मा 0 हैन row 0 छ अनि 1 column भनेपछि के भयो भन्दाखेरि 0 1 column भनेपछि column मा हो नि त 1 column भनेको column मा हो है if you look here यहाँनिर हेर्नुस् है भनेपछि column number 1 अनि त्यसपछिको सबै भनेपछि यो आयो हैन यो यो भनेको यो पार्ट भयो है मेक सेन्स है बुझ्नुभयो ओके अनि त्यसै गरी ग्रिड 1 अनि कलम 2 भनेपछि अब थर्डमा हेर्नु थर्ड यहाँनिर है इफ यु लुक ओभर हियर यु सी दैट है ग्रिड अनि रोमा कति रो कति 1 छ भनेपछि वी पिक रो नम्बर 1 है रो 1 अनि त्यसपछि कलम 2 छ भनेपछि सुरुदेखि है 2 भन्दा ठिक अगाडिसम्म है सुरुदेखि हैन 2 भन्दा ठिक अगाडिसम्म मिन्स हाम्रो सिक्वेन्स चाहिँ आयो हैन यो पार्ट आयो है डज इट मेक सेन्स ओके भनेपछि यो चाहिँ हो है फाइनली ग्रिड 1 2 छ है ग्रिड 1 2 भनेको कुन चाहिँ हो ल you can see there हैन ग्रिड 1 2 this is grid 1 2 हैन यो चाहिँ है so which is this one right make sense
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We can okay, you can control these and हामी जस्तो मलाई त्यस्तै जस्तो चाहे त्यस्तै शेप निकाल्न सकिन्छ कि है त्यो subplotsहरुको and we're going to use that in a moment hey to do very nice visualization. Okay, let's see. There's a very nice plot that we can do right. So हामी के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि let's see we're going to create two variables x and y हामीले यो mean covariance अनि दुईटा बीचको हैन correlation को we have already talked about this so I'm not going to go through that again okay so okay like before I'm going to put it right here हामीले के गरौँ भन्दाखेरि एउटा mean 0 0 okay let's create some randomly distributed data right they are x or y right x or y or x1 x2 whatever right and they should be correlated right they are correlated right and they have you say covariance matrix we have already talked about this in detail right and this we we create a multivariate normal right multivariate normal and we mean दिन्छौं covariance दिन्छौं 3000 points and you like transpose गर्छौं गर्दाखेरि अनि x एउटा अनि y अर्को है x र y दुईवटा डेटा पोइन्ट्स हुन्छ okay so अब यो गर्दाखेरि let me run this okay अनि त्यसपछि so if I print x and say x okay so I'll get an array right so here's the array right? x यसमा 3000 वटा है there will be 3000 points x को हैन त्यसैगरी y को पनि there will be 3000 points है यो दुवै so if we do x dot shape right 3000 comma right 3000 it's a one dimensional array right okay both are one dimensional arrays okay so but they are related to each other correlated they are correlated right because we have covariance matrix here defined they are correlated right and then they both come from normal distribution yo pani dubai they're coming from what normal distribution right randomly of course random numbers but they're coming from a normal distribution right भनेपछि अब यसको x को mean कति हुन्छ
0
very good किनभने यहाँ 0 है first data को value है the first data 0 mean 0 अनि अर्को को पनि 0 है both are 0 okay so okay भनेपछि यसको पनि 0 हुन्छ हैन दुवैको mean है so can you figure out यसको standard deviation कति हुन्छ
1
right because right very good है यसको
1 यसको 2
चाहिँ variance हुन्छ standard deviation square root of 2 हैन square root of 2 हैन root 2 हैन 1.7 कति हुन्छ 1.7 okay very good okay so now okay that's we have already covered that so I won't go through that again excuse me अब हामी के गर्छौं भन्दा we'll create a figure and grid है grid त भर्खर गरेको थियो नि सेम हो अमेसिङ गर्छु त so we create a figure 6 by 6 भने 6 by 6 inch को figure अनि हामीले grid चाहिँ 4 by 4 को grid गराउँछौं है Okay, and h space double space 0.2 0.2 so right h space double space so this is okay, height space or width space, right? Okay, so if I do this, I'll just get a figure, right? And then we grid that, right? We have a grid, okay, grid there, so and then I'm now we can do before I go into this, I'm going to show you. See, 4x4, it's split double space, right? So let me show you right here. Clear. Okay. So it's space grid space 4x4, 4x4 को grid space, right? So let's do this, right? So you 4x4, let me see, like that. Okay, so is this right? So let's put these indices as well. 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So you got it right there. So now okay, so 4x4 it's space double space space right? So let me quickly show you this thing. Where's my main axis, right? So okay, main ax equal to figure the add subplot grid. Okay, main column to -1 and one column, right? Column to -1, right? Column to -1 when you see row, right? Row, column to -1. What is that? When you see row, column to, and we see surudahi, column suruva, surudahi, -1 when you see -1, last college when you see isn't that so? Right? Okay. And this column part is one column, right? One column right here. Is the one column. One column got one, and this was sub. I know when you see you when you see so let me draw that. I mean highlight that, right? When you see it's intersection keywords, so your part I get. Oh, takes sense. You could have
Yes.
right? So this is we call it what? Main axis. Right? Main, right? Main axis. Okay, main axis, whatever. Right? Right here. Right? Main AX rather, right? Main AX. Okay. Main AX. Okay. All right. So let's try another one. X y is equal to and subplot add right? So let me go back here. Okay, so right here, right? Let me run this. Right? Run that. Did I run that? Yes. Right? Okay. Our y is equal to you figured out figure add subplot grid column -1 0. Okay, column -1 0. When you see when I see column -1. When you see anywhere, rows are anywhere, right? Column -1. When we see e theta, right? Column -1 you row any column column 0 column 0 column 0. Okay, column 0 means using right? It's intersection you can see there, right? Right, this one right here, right? Okay, y ist. So this is what y ist, right? Let me draw it here rather. Okay, so using keyword y ist one. Okay, all right. So this theory, finally we have what? We have this one x ist. Okay. Okay, so we'll have okay, let me run this one anyway, right? Our x is the same mode that I'm keyword is read -1 and one column, -1 and one column, right? So row ma -1 भनेपछि यो आयो है -1 अनि त्यसपछि के छ 1 column है 1 column भनेपछि यो तीनटा आयो हैन 1 column right okay भनेपछि now let me color it with a different pen this one right here right okay यो चाहिँ आयो है so यो चाहिँ के भयो accessed so we'll call it accessed okay so far so good right? We have main ax accessed and yist right so I'm writing over there okay so once we have that now I'm we can plot xy on the main main subplot mami we're going to do let's see probably I can do fig see you can see that okay rather I haven't run this you run see okay so I'm doing you can see there yist accessed or main yist accessed and main it makes sense about you main axis let's try to plot xy scatter plot right so let's add some more of these okay so I'm main ax dot plot just make sure that I can't be okay 10 minutes right here so okay main ax dot plot xy and you right I'm just go maybe just copy and paste because there's not much time here okay so xy right x एउटा column data or column data and दुईवटा data छ नि x or y and they are correlated right अनि okay o भनेको marker dots right big dots and k भनेको black right so this is the color that's the marker right marker size 3 alpha equals 0.2 right so if I do that okay so you are I can again do fig right see obviously I understand so very nice right alpha equals 0.2 so you x or y right you have the x or y scatter plot and you can see that they are correlated we can correlation positive second negative so positive yeah very good right so and then let's try this about axis we're going to create a histogram of x histogram again right so I can do right here okay so accessed accessed this one you accessed accessed man plot dot histogram right histogram plot 40 is the bin size bin bin equal to 40 and x data number x x histogram 40 that is the number of bins step fill orientation vertical color equal to blue alpha equals 0.5 right so if I do this right if I run this right so I get a bunch of these numbers right and then I can do second right so here I can do rather enter right and right so right there understand see now it's your x histogram right see you can see that it's normally distributed right x and y both are normal distribution right they come from normal distribution you can see that right here right so x is coming from normal distribution right you can invert y right y line invert flip y ma flip right we can do that let me get that invert y axis right so x is like we can invert probably I can do it right here so invert so invert see okay which is much nicer much nice okay so so you can compare I mean you can see the distribution just the yaner peaks and data densely right you put very dense right peak man sparse data okay so you can see that your distribution is cool distribution यहीबाट देखिन्छ है likewise we can draw histogram on this side as well right अब यो साइडमा so what I can do is it's the same thing right y ist dot ist so similarly I can do my similar right so I can do right here right so okay so it's very similar right? Same thing huh? y and 40 and his type step filled by orientation horizontal okay of horizontal orientation mouse and this is a green color and all these okay so you can see there right here understand अब यसलाई पनि यसको x flip गर्नु पर्यो हैन यसको x okay so we need to flip that invert गर्ने right so we need to invert the x-axis right so let's try that okay I can do it right here right so right here okay if I do that see very nice right so see very nice plot hey obviously there information right you can see individually wonderful distribution पनि देख्नु भएको छ है and reference को लागि see you they're sharing the same axis right see and त्यसले गर्दाखेरि तपाईको यो interpretation गर्न एकदमै सजिलो भयो right and then whenever these go right you can see that correlation between these two data x and y right so very nice right it's really nice okay so okay Texa, any questions so far?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Texa, right? So of course you guys need to go through the notes, try them out, right? Try them out, and if you have questions, you can always ask. Right? Okay. Okay, so we have about 4 minutes, so there's not much that can be done in these 4 minutes. Right? So I would rather stop right here. Right then. So yeah, we'll just have the next class. You sit there, and then we'll start machine learning. Right then. I guess there is maybe our next class go first session will sit there tomorrow, and then we're gonna start machine learning, which is very exciting. Right then. Oh, okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day.